like I said earlier, you don't need motorcycle brakes because it's not as heavy as a motorcycle. Looks like it's 4 pistons. 4 pistons? Yeah, 4 pistons. That's more than enough with how giant the rotors are over here in the front. That's my opinion without writing it, but I'll be writing it hopefully a little bit later. And let's see. So the second battery pack is a completely different shape.
Nope.
No? It's the same?
You take off this piece right here,
Oh,
and it kind of recesses in a little bit, and it's right there.
I see. All right. I heard they were encoded in such a way that you can't just steal it.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's very reassuring. More word needs to come out so that people don't just
Try.
try and do it. Like, don't bother doing that. Yeah. Do you know what the self-drain is on something like this when it's just sitting around?
I don't have the specs on that.
Okay. And the lock mode needs it on? Okay, so you got the anti-theft and you got the GPS
for the
features.
Airlock.
Yeah, stuff like that. It would still need to be on.
It will shut down and lock.
Okay. Is there a true complete shutdown mode for this? Or it always drains power? I guess that's the question.
So there's a secondary battery.
Oh, there is.
There's a very small secondary battery that it's coming from that.
Oh, okay.
Instead of your actual
big
battery.
And is that replaceable?
It is.
Okay.
It is.
That's very good. Yeah, that's a problem that I have because I have the GT2, and when I do the lock mode, it drains.
It drains
quite a bit.
Yeah.
Because I don't ride it every day, so when I come back to it, I'm like, oh no, I thought I was going to get far. I'm not going far. I'm not getting very far.
I think I got insight from those things, and they put that secondary small battery in.
That's excellent. I mean, you guys are obviously improving and all that. I hope they do the same thing on the GT3 Pro. Probably. I would guess that they would, but yeah, I guess that'd be more of a technical question related to the new line of products. Do you know about waterproofing on these?
It's P5.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. I like that that's removable. That's great.
7.
Okay. IPX7.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ratings.
Yeah.
I get them mixed up all the time. One is not necessarily better than the other, depending on what you want it resistant from.
Yeah.
Oh, the other question is, these are going to be ready to be shipped out in February for the pre-orders?
Mid-February?
Mid-February, yeah. That's what I heard too. Just want to see if there were any updates on that. A lot of people were asking. Unfortunately, I will not be getting one for this first round. I would love to. And you know why? Because I'm in California.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And that's like, I'll wait for the more legal version that you guys are coming out later in the year. So that's what I'm really excited about. It's getting that, and they're probably going to add turn signals and all that for that. Yeah. Do you know if they're going to have a retrofit?
I don't know.
Yeah. See.
I don't know.
That's why I was like,
up in the air right now. I have no idea.
I said you can probably bet on it, but I mean, if you got to go back to the dealer, some people don't live that close to it. So I said, hey, hold off. See what that's like. See what the legislation says.
BMX trick bike.
Yeah. Oh, do you guys have the... Oh, you don't?
What?
The new prototype dirt bike out here, yeah.
No.
That one.
Man, I wouldn't even be here. I would be out.
There's only the one, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Just
okay.
the one,
Just the one prototype.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my God.
Wait, so is the one they're showing there at the show is the actual one that is rideable around?
I
Okay.
don't know for sure.
That's
but
in
I think
US.
it is.
Okay.
Either that or it's just they made it one copy
Yeah.
to show off.
A model.
Right. Okay. Very cool. nice. Alright, so one thing. Okay, it is slightly adjustable. You can rotate this a little bit. That's about it. Replace it your own, maybe. Got the full charging port, USB A and C. Very nice. Are you familiar with the menu system on here? Yeah. Can you show me what's going on with the menu?
Let me turn it on for you.
Okay. Oh, same controls as my GT2 Pro or GT.
And so there is a lock.
Okay. Got it.
You just set whatever
Yeah.
you want in the app.
Okay, that's the startup sound.
Startup sound.
Okay, you got the battery level, the assist level, which I presume is for pedal assist.
Yep.
Okay. This is your level of assist also connected to how the throttle responds as well? Are the two interconnected, or are they
They're
independently?
not.
Oh,
They're
good.
independently.
Independent. That's
Yes.
good. I appreciate that. So for the throttle, then, do you get? So you can independently set. Okay, the throttle. I don't want. You know, I want eco. Then I want
See,
normal. Okay.
Eco, and then over here on this dial,
Yeah.
Eco. Oh, well, I put it in park, so Eco,
Yeah. Sport. Yeah.
and then race.
Okay, so those are the three modes there.
Yep, those
Got
are
it.
the three modes there.
Can you
And
adjust the regen also from the control panel at all, or is it through the app only?
It's through the app.
Yeah. Okay. So very similar to what I've been experiencing.
Yeah.
I like that this is there. I like
Yeah.
that control a little bit better.
And then you'll see, so it has this scroll control here.
The scroll
but
control,
it
yeah.
also, you click right
Oh, you can click and left. Ah, nice.
And so that's gonna give you like your trip,
Right.
and then
Once you connect it.
and then you can control music.
Okay.
You can control.
That's great.
Your, like, if a cell phone call comes through, you could answer it. Things like that. And there's lock mode, and then back to the race.
Okay. Now for the music control, does that go through the Segway app, or does that?
No,
No?
I use like my Apple Music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
And
So it'll
if you're
connect it just
on-
fine.
You'll see that it's like one. You push it down once, and it will either pause or play. If you do 2, it will skip forward. If you do 3 clicks, it will skip back. All of that is right there.
Okay. Now, I heard that you might be adding a speaker module or something that you can add on.
I
Or
don't.
Still know about that.
I still don't
All right.
know.
Okay. Because, you know, the scooters, they have that, it's called the engine whatever
Yeah.
sound, yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of interesting to add something like that to the,
This one has a speaker for like the alarm and
Yes.
stuff like that, but,
but not
for
like
music.
engine sounds
Yeah,
or
no,
music. Yeah. I mean, that'd be a pretty cool addition. But then I was thinking, where do you put it?
Yeah.
Maybe in this spot over here, maybe. But then you have a bag that fits
Yeah.
there. Yeah. All that. Yeah. I saw you had a few accessories. That's about it.
Couple, yeah.
Yeah.
Not many yet, but we're always gonna try and add some more.
Yeah. Well, I know me personally, I would like to have some sort of rack,
Yeah.
but I guess not everybody wants one.
Not everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks great though. Okay.
And then as soon as you hit the kickstand, if you push the kickstand down,
Yeah.
you'll see here that it goes into park.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
That's a nice convenience
Yeah,
feature.
yeah.
Yeah. I appreciate
and then
that.
it will shut it down.
Okay. Tell me it
down
doesn't
for
do
free.
something where if you're at the stoplight, I have to hold on to the brakes to keep it. No. Okay.
No, you're good.
Yeah. I didn't like that about the.
Yeah. No,
the pros.
it will go into park if you're stagnant for, I don't know the exact how many like
Right.
minutes or
Okay.
whatever. It will.
I remember
it'll
they
go
made
into
it-
park, and then you just hit
Okay.
both of your
Pull
brakes,
the brakes and
you
you're
go.
good. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's great. All right. Not bad at all. Awesome. Okay. So, is someone still filming? Is that